Hello everyone, welcome here. Today you are going to know and learn about coding for kids. Yes, when can start kids can learning coding, computer programming language. Yes, we are going to try to get such a information from this video lecture. So this information I'm trying to get using ChatGPT. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do support and share, comment. Let's see. I'll ask it. ChatGPT explain coding for kids. So what it is, when can start, what ChatGPT is supporting for us, we will learn. See, coding for kids involving like a teaching children how to write instructions like a coding. A computer can understand and execute and run. See, something like breaking and complex problems, small problems, managing parts, solving the logical thinking and combinations. These all will involve in coding. So there are many different programming languages are also there for teaching kids to start learning like a Scratch, Python, JavaScript, web development, web page design. These all the languages are first they need to begin with the syntaxes, rules, share their common concepts and academic concepts, understanding and improving. So here basically at the age of 6 year onwards coding like a students can start the programming language with any one of the seniors who are like a majors. Supervision is essential. Strongly remember. So let's see. There are a few key points are there how to start and learn coding and teaching. The sequences. Putting instructions how the order it should be followed. Computer can understand a line by line code execution. Then it will be easy to understand. Yes, they can understand like in a uniformity of writing of line of statements. And variables. Variables are used to store multiple data items into a single item. Kids can use variables to store numbers, text, other data types, and you also explain the data. What type of data it is? Numbers, strings, characters, booleans. The differentiation you need to teach them. Loops. Yes, repeat like one statement is going to be in like running or executing multiple times. We can say that like loop statements and how to make the reusing of statements. And controlled environment, how we can say that. Conditional statements, also we can say that. Decision making system which controlled environment. Using if else statements, the program will execute specified instructions, it will run and execute. And debugging, yes, if any problems occurred, how to fix an error, kids will need to know, yes, their error messages they need to solve it. See, when teaching of coding of kids and when they are learning the similar concept, they need to build a simple real world projects from scratch. It's very highly essential for them. Maybe you may begin with any programming language such as Scratch, Python or JavaScript. Coding for kids fun and engaging way we need to teach them, and also they need to learn to improve their problem solving skills. The world is going, a variety of technologies and resources are available. Kids are also more participating. They are trying to enabling their creativity what they need to do. So I wish you good luck who are more eagerly interested to begin with the coding and exploring their knowledge, and by doing the things and making real world projects. Yes, encourage them where the supervision is essential for parents or guardians. I wish you good luck. If you feel this video lecture is helpful for you at any cost, please do subscribe. And Harisystems is also offering coding for kids online tutorials and online courses. Find the below link for online course which is a very low price. Start learning today. Thank you.